In general, the transactions of any business activity are settled in cash. This means that the entity might either pay money or receive money based on the nature of the transaction it's party to.
For the investment funds, the fund receives cash from investors or credit institutions and pays out cash for investment activities and to cover the operating expenses. We have seen so far capital calls, investment, and invoice from a supplier. We will see in this tutorial how we can reconcile the bank transactions and account for the cash transactions.
Generally, there are three sources where the user can input the bank transactions into the platform. Using the open bank technology if the bank accounts are connected to the platform as we showed in a previous tutorial. The transactions will be synchronized overnight and stored into the platform.
If the bank accounts are not connected, there are two options: either the user enter them in the eCash book under the accounting section or upload them from an Excel file.
Once the cash transactions are added, they can be reconciled automatically using the reconciliation bot. Otherwise, the user can only reconcile them by themselves from their cash reconciliation dashboard.
The cash reconciliation dashboard proposes different functionalities, such as linking the cash transaction with its source. Pause the accounting entry manually where all the transaction information is already input for the user, and the user must only select the general ledger account where the transaction should be posted to.
The dashboard also helps the accountant inquire about and clear transactions, where they can send email directly to the relevant user, where the latter can write comments about the transaction and approach supporting documents.
The user can also confirm the receipt of the funds for a specific transaction where the paying party is notified by email about the receipt of the payment.